Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a 3D text to your videos on CapCut. Now this is a paid feature using the Pro account, of course. So select text here and select add text as well, and then you are going to select text template, and you're going to select the 3D one, and you'll have all these three options. Unfortunately all of them are Pro, but it's a nice feature that to have. I like this sort of text here, this like jelly like text, and you can, I think, change the text here if you click on it. Yeah, you can. For instance, I'm just going to type in phonetic, and then you can change the text of the 3D text. I think is so cool. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!